Alright, so here's how to hide apps in Android Auto. For that reason, let me just open up the settings and then simply go with the connection or connected devices option, and then you will find out the auto Android Auto on to the bottom side like that. And then from here you can simply scroll it down, and here is the customized launcher option. So from here you can hide the apps. So if you tap on that, as you can see, all of the application here available. So if you want to hide any of these, you can simply tap on these, and then as you can see, the hidden application is news. Also, if you want to hide the reminder, then the messages, also the game snacks, also the calendar if you want, then as you can see, all the hidden apps right over here, and this is the apps you are gonna see on your Android Auto. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.